guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I just want to update you guys on everything that's been going on, man. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been kind of laying back, just chilling, man, because there's a lot going on. You know, the Rona's still out here, and I wasn't really trying to be around a whole bunch of people, man. So I just been kind of laying low, spending time with my family, and you know, working and doing real life stuff, man. Again, like I said, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so I'm not constantly making content, but I'm gonna pick it back up here soon. The update on the Hellcat, I'm actually, like I said, y'all saw the video where I mailed off the letters to the credit bureaus. I'm still waiting for a response from those letters. Still waiting for the stuff to be removed off my credit report. Like I said, man, I'm taking my time and trying to do this thing the right way, to give myself the best chance, you know, to get exactly what I want instead of just jumping out there, rushing, trying to get something just to throw it on YouTube. No, I'm not trying to do that, man. So I'm trying to get it and do it the right way. So when I do get it, we can, you know, enjoy it and I can keep it. Not have to worry about nobody trying to come get it. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all been staying safe, man. I'm supposed to be hooking up with a couple other YouTubers probably Saturday. And we're gonna try to get some content for you guys, man. So I appreciate y'all, you know, holding me down, supporting the channel. There's a lot going on right now. I did not quit YouTube. I've been getting some messages asking me, did I stop? Am I gonna upload again? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm still uploading, man. I just took some time, you know, to spend with the family, and my battery's on dead. Again, man, it's just me. I don't have a bunch of people around me to you know, like I said before, I'm pretty much, I'm a solo YouTuber. I don't really have any people around that I can go and make content with on a consistent basis. Up here, man, it's a wide body Hellcat up here, man. I'm trying to catch up to that joint. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch it though. The joint up here at the light. Y'all probably hit that joint when it pull off. Trying to get beside this joint real quick. Oh no, he turned. Dang. Oh no, they're not. See if I can get up here without getting pulled over by the police. I'm downtown DC, so I gotta be careful. Catch up to this joint. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get on this side. See that joint up there? And he got that joint from Coon. That joint mean right there, bruh. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Y'all hear that joint? He punching that thing too. I'm about to get him to the side motor. Oh, he done ran on that light right there. He going to Virginia, so he probably ain't gonna turn right there. Yeah, he is gonna turn. I knew he was gonna turn right there. Dang.